In this new video. Today I am here to show you the best alternative to Photoshop to create beautiful designs, graphics, or other type of advertising. So first of all, we go on this website. It's called canva.com. You can find the link on the description. And you sign up for a free account and then you will come here on this dashboard. As you can see, now it's in Italian, but it's available in a lot of other languages. As you can see, here we can search for a term for a type of image. Here we can create our custom size of the project, and then under here we can choose between a lot of templates already created for a different type of images. For example, we have the post of Facebook, post for Instagram, post for general social media, the Facebook cover page. But for now, we can go to a post to create a social media post. We click on this and will bring us to the extended page of that post. As you can see on the left side, we have models, elements, text, background, and upload. You can also upload your design. For example, we need to create an image for a client, and this client is a real estate company. For example, we choose this design and we can pretty much customize everything. We can change the colors, we can change the text, we can change the image, the layout, the position, pretty much everything. We can choose between a lot of fonts, color, sizes, move the elements around. It's really good to create custom content. Then we can create a new one here and we can start from scratch. For example, we go on elements and then we can add some icons, some pictures. There have a lot of free pictures. We can add, for example, graphic. Then we can add text. We add our text here. As you can see, we have written. We can change the color, the font, the size, and if we should make a list or not, the space between the letter, the line and the letter. As you can see, you have a lot, very a lot of things. And then on background you can add the background to every picture. There are free stuff and paid stuff. And then you can go to upload. Now I will not go to upload because there are the things of my work, but you can upload an image, your image, an image take from Google, and then upload to the image and customize everything. For example, this reminds me the iPhone background. Now we can search for the iPhone icon. Okay, we have this one that is free, for example, and then we add a text maybe for iPhone cover. We put the text on white, we do it bigger. As you can see, we have pretty much created our beautiful thumbnail for everything, for advertise your product, for your shop, and then you can search something similar to the iPhone character. Okay, now maybe try another one. Okay, this is pretty much similar. We can have bold or not. Okay, now is created our image, and we can click on download here, and we shows the page that we want to download, the first or the second, and then we shows the format JPG, PNG, PDF, or other stuff. For this video is everything. If it was useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.